Hello guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about some coding tricks using Java. Hey, what is the reason behind you explaining the coding tricks? You may ask me like that, but there is a reason. Assume like you are participating in some hackathons or some coding exams, then it's better to use some shortcuts because we have very less time in the situations and we want to use our time very wisely. So in this video I want to explain about some coding tricks, guys. If you observe, assume like there is a requirement like I want to print number of digits in my number, okay, and assume like it is the code I have written, and if you observe, I'm getting the correct output. But how many lines code it is getting? 1, 2, 3. At least there is 6 lines of code here. And now I don't want to waste my time by writing 6 lines of code. Then how can write my coding very like 1 line or 2 lines? I will show you now. Math.log10. Assume like our number is x plus 1. Okay guys, now I want to declare a variable name in x equal to is my number, okay, and now I want to print, guys, run as Java application. Hey guys, if you observe, there is no difference. I just written 1 line of code here, and here it is a 6 lines of code. By this, a lot of time will be saved for us, okay, and let's move to our another short. Now I want to explain a trick about prime number. Guys, there is a requirement like print true if the given number is prime number. Okay, here our given number is n equal to 3, and this is our logic. It seems to be very big code actually. When we are in some coding exams and we have a less time, in that time it is very time waste to write this all code. And now I will show you a shortcut. Boolean be equal to big integer dot value of, and a variable is n dot is probably prime 1. Okay, and now I want to print my result. Let's see what is our result. Now I want to run it, guys. Run as Java application. Hey guys, if you observe, my output is same as the above one. There is nothing wrong here, but I just completed my program in just 1 line. Guys, in this video I explained you only 2 coding tricks in Java, and I plan to release a new series on Java coding tricks, and I will release a new video every week, and please stay tuned to our channel. And thank you guys for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel.